Hello everyone, and welcome to the RSAkit tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how effortless it is to resolve shift conflicts, consider limits to all working hours, and set paid hours in RSAkit. RSAkit works with EVV data from ICEs. You need to upload this data from the LTSSMaryland web portal before you start with payroll. To learn how to do this, please view our videos or read the knowledge base. Let's get started on the first example. We need to go to the Services by Clients in the main menu. First, I see in the calendar that the payroll weeks are selected. In this sample, I use only 1 week. If I prepare payroll for all caregivers, I click on the first name on the list and then use the keyboard arrow buttons to go client by client. Or I can click with my mouse on the arrows on both sides of the caregiver's name. If I need to work with a particular caregiver's data, I use the search box to type some symbols and then select. In most cases, only one caregiver works for the client per day. In these cases, we pay the caregiver for all hours approved by the state. RSAkit suggests these hours for payroll and shows them in blue. Of course, you can adjust them. The revised hours will be shown in black. However, I must note cases in which 2 or more caregivers work for the client on the same day. Let me show you why. I'm going to use a handy filter. Here it is, greater than 1 employee. Now our list has filtered only the clients who had more than 1 caregiver on the same day. Look at this sample. Every day, Meryl and Colin work for Alfreda, one after another. But ICES counts all the same day visits as a single claim. ICES then approves all the claims hours to only one of the caregivers at random. Look. Colin actually worked for about 16 hours, and Meryl for about 11. They both worked more than the 25 hours that Alfreda had in the plan of service. ICES approves the maximum, 25 hours, but the system approves all 25 hours for Colin. Because ICES doesn't know anything about our agency's working plans and schedules, they pay for the whole claim. Look at how quickly RSAkit will help us resolve this conflict. Let's say we don't have special reservations with Colin and Meryl. I go to the revised hours, click on the first caregiver, and type 15 on my keyboard. Then I click on the up arrow button to move by 15-minute units. So, I entered 15.75. Now, I click on the green calculator icon. It's all done. Quick, isn't it? And one more thing. Take the next example. In this case, Amos had a mistake with one of the shifts, but I know it will be solved. As we continue to coordinate the claim with MDH, this claim needs authorization status. But in the meantime, we must pay the caregiver. I'm adjusting the hours for Leslie following the actual hours. For Amos, click on the calculator icon, and then add 9 hours. What has happened? Why did RSAkit highlight the sum of the revised hours in yellow? Because it helps me see that I exceeded the hours approved by ICES. Moreover, if I increase the hours even more, RSAkit highlights the sum in red. It shows me that I have exceeded the sum of approved and that need authorization hours. Hopefully, I've been able to show you how easy and quick it is to adjust the ICES data to prepare payroll in RSAkit. Check out our other videos for tips and tricks on how to use RSAkit effectively. Visit the RSAkit knowledge base. Thank you.